Hey Wealth Builders, welcome back to Wealth Sync, where your money works harder than you do. Investing while you're drowning in debt is like trying to fill a bucket that's full of holes. No matter how much you pour in, it leaks out. If you want real financial freedom, here are 5 proven strategies to escape debt before you invest. Let's get real for a second. Paying off debt isn't just some boring financial chore, it's your first real investment in your future wealth. Think about it. Every dollar you throw at debt is a dollar that's not bleeding interest anymore. It's like giving yourself a raise. Now let's dive into strategy number 1. Know your numbers, and I mean really know them. Pull out all those statements you've been avoiding and write down every single balance, interest rate, and due date. I know it's scary, but trust me, this clarity is like financial superpowers. You can't slay a dragon if you don't know how big it is, right? Strategy 2 is all about choosing your weapon. Avalanche or snowball. Avalanche means tackling the highest interest debt first. It'll save you the most money in the long run. Snowball is where you knock out the smallest debts for quick wins. Both work, so pick the one that'll keep you fired up and crushing those debts. Next up, we're hunting for invisible leaks. You know, those sneaky subscriptions you forgot about, or that fancy coffee habit that's slowly draining your wallet. It's time to get ruthless. Cancel, downgrade, and say goodbye to lifestyle creep. Those small cuts add up fast, and suddenly you've got a debt-busting war chest. Strategy 4 might surprise you. Build a tiny emergency fund. I'm talking just $500 to $1,000. Why bother when you're in debt? Because life happens, and one surprise bill shouldn't derail your whole plan. It's like a financial airbag. Small, but it could save your progress. Last but not least, automate those payments. Set it and forget it, so your debt disappears without you even thinking about it. And here's the fun part. Celebrate your wins. Paid off a card? Treat yourself, responsibly, of course. Hit a milestone? Do a victory dance. Motivation keeps the momentum going, and before you know it, you'll be debt-free and ready to invest for real. Remember, paying off debt isn't a setback. It's setting the stage for your financial glow-up. Once you're debt-free, every dollar you invest is free to grow and compound. It's like planting money trees in fertile soil instead of rocky ground. If this fired you up to tackle your debt, hit that subscribe button for more smart money moves that'll have your wallet thanking you. Let's get that financial glow up started.